I don't know. I'm still holding.
What happened, me or my bad?
Very good, but I said I'm still holding my upsides like my MD calls. I got in spot calls at the end of the day. So
It still looks good. We didn't drop heavy at the end of the day. It bounced.
yeah,
Uh,
yes, sir.
let's see. All right, so yes, right. Okay, let me clear these lines because I don't need it. There you go. All right, so we came off. I'll say like a bearish, exhausting day. Like the Bears got exhausted, obviously, and the Bulls came in yesterday. So, yes, try to complete um this morning star here, but it was a couple points like basically lower than we expected. This candle's supposed to be mirror this candle. It was a little smaller, so the pullback was expected because it wasn't a full completed morning star. It was almost there, but it wasn't the morning star was looking for. So today, after the Bulls came in, after the Bears got exhausted on yesterday, the the Bulls wrote it up, but then they couldn't hold it. They basically we sold off at open today. So I'll show you guys spot in a minute. So this is the candle that ES put in today. This is predicting a little bit of tomorrow, but we can't tell nothing yet. But this is the candle that ES try to put up. So now if we're going off of these patterns, a trader probably like, oh shoot, now it's turning into an evening star maybe, because if the data is bad and hot, this is gonna be a red candle, and if that red candle's the same size as this one, then yeah, we could just say that's the evening star foaming, but we're not gonna jump the gun yet because we don't know shit. So we're gonna we're gonna just call it a chop session, which what kind of what it was today. It sold off and 438 held, 439 held. It was up and down, teeter-totting there for basically second half of the day. So they're setting us up basically for tomorrow and Thursday and Friday. So what I'm saying right here is we could still go up. So I don't blame my boy. He said he's in call still. I don't blame him. I'll still hold calls if I had time to. So if we break, if if ES decides to reclaim at least 420, then it's good for upside. We just got to crack the 50 and it could possibly go higher. But nothing is saying that, it's heavy. This looks good to upside on ES. And we still got these tints, which is getting lighter, which is telling us that the bears are getting weaker. So upside does look good. So let's talk about the SPY, right? So SPY today, I messed up because I was in a meeting in the morning, but I should have posted my chart in the morning like I usually do. So I drew this trend line and I couldn't screenshot it and send it to the chat, but as soon as SPY went under my TL, it was over. Look, you guys could see it. So basically 440.50 was the trigger point to short it. And once it did that, basically could have just held puts all day. Um SPY basically was riding the 9 all day on the 15 to the downside. Look, this is my green line. It kept rejecting. Look, keep it even here. It almost tried to break, but then smacked back down. And then towards the end of the day, it started getting productive above, but it got rejected on VWAP. So tomorrow, I think a key area that we're gonna watch to see if SPY wants to break higher. Excuse me, sorry guys, yawn. To see if it wants to break higher after the data, of course, it's gonna be around here. This 440 area, basically. I know 440.50 was where the TL was cut off and then it went under. So I want to see how SPY reacts on 440 tomorrow. If it holds, then I'm bullish and I'll see if we could go higher. But if we don't reclaim 440, then things could definitely look bad for SPY, in my opinion. Now, given the daily candle is nasty, I'm not gonna lie, it's very strong. It's stronger than obviously Monday's action. So we gotta keep that in mind. But the RSI is still hasn't completed the downturn. Might want to pivot, just like ES. ES has the same exact pattern, but with a hook already forming to the upside. So if SPY follows, then we're all good. Where we do like the tint change on the max, so that's good in our favor. So I want SPY to at least hold where we closed at today. If it goes below 417, put on your bear hats, guys, and just short it. So I'll put an alert over here. 417, sorry, 437. 437.20. You can put on your bear hat and try to short it. And 440, let's see how it reacts around 440. To see if we could go long. So I'll put it around here for you guys. But like I said, we got some data in the morning, so all depends on what comes in. It's catalyst. That's gonna be the catalyst tomorrow. Catalyst actually the next 3 days, but tomorrow's the first one. So Q's, similar prediction, right? The only thing is Q's looks way stronger than SPY. The bearish candle, the the bearish candle is not as strong as the bullish candle put in yesterday. And I like how we kind of still dancing in between the 50. So if we hold above the 50, I think we're good. So let me see. This is 350, 365, 367. 367. Uh, I guess I'll be patient. I'll wait for 367. To go long, and if we go under, it will most likely be 381.20. Because here we could go down and bounce right here. So 381.20. 381, 361. Sorry, guys. 361.20 to short it. So that'll be short there, and then go long on that trigger. Like I said, yes, Q's look stronger than SPY. That's how it's been already for the past 2 days. If you guys haven't paid attention, Q's has been out moving SPY. So let's see if it keeps the trend. All right, let's talk about some names real quick, because I'm yawning my life away here. Hold on. Okay, so first name on the list. Okay. We got, I liked how this one was moving towards the end of the day. Let's see how it looks on the daily. DraftKings was moving some strength at the end of the day before it got shaved down. Um, yeah, it does still looks good. We got a nice little double. Let me see how this looks. This looks good. It just gotta clear these two EMAs. So above the 50, I'll put an alert on DraftKings. It's probably waiting for the data to drop. If data's good, it's gonna break the 50. DraftKings are good. They had good earnings too, so I don't see why they can't go up. You see why IBM look good. IBM. It's kind of holding. This freaking 21 guy. I don't know. No, I don't like IBM, guys. Scratch IBM. Manu ripped after hour. I don't know. Yeah, some news. But Manu is currently $24. So we gonna watch Manu tomorrow. Damn, this shit is all the way up here already. Wow. Yep. 2409. So I'm gonna watch a macro break. Put it around here. Nah, that's too much. Hold on. 24, 40. So, not much of a difference. Let me put 75. Manu put some strength after hours. There was some news. Um, Faust draw trending. Sorry, trending. A downtrending line here. The candle would obviously crack it. So Manu tomorrow we want to watch. See what some continuation of this after hour move. Let's see what else you got. Man. RX, small account friendly. SBS kind of went a little bit sideways traded, but it went a little today. So RX trying to put in a bottom here. I think we're good above the 200, so I'll put it right here. Small account friendly. This looks good. This looks good. This looks good too. So all the indicators is pushing good to the outside. If it breaks that level, you could definitely go to at least 10 and 10-20, maybe. I think they got $10 calls too. Okay, so K-View. K-View looks good, ready to go. Not finally. I think my boy Climbing is in it, but today it put in the candle we was looking for. So it rips up. This looks good. And this looks good. Gotta wait till we crack at least this level. I think they got 24.5 calls too. That's crazy. So let me just put 45 just in case. I could go for the half calls. But K view looks good. All indicators is bullish. Not embarrassed yet. Let's see LMT. Why it looked interesting again today. Might be a short opportunity for LMT because oh no, it's so strong. Oh, and increase today. So above the 200, which is 456, 42. Okay. Watch LMT there to see if it's possible continuation. It's already put in 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a doji. Yeah, it already put about 4 consecutive green candles, so it's risky. But the trend is there. I'll put the alert. So if I take it, yeah, I know, I'll tell you. NEM. Gold might get a bid tomorrow, guys. I'm watching gold for sure. This one is one on the list. The first victim right here. Look, wow, look, I had a trend line. It's it already broke it today. So I already got the alert there for 39.15. 39.15, guys. Double bottom ripping on the RSI already. Everything's leaning upside. So like I told you, I was watching gold, right? So I'm watching Barrick Gold as well. So that is not the one I want. Sorry. This is the one. Thank you. So yeah, bid on gold tomorrow. Gonna watch this area. 1605. Everything's leaning up though. Silver's on the list too with gold. Nice little rips trying to go. So silver above the 50. There's a gold green light right here. So 2165. 65. Watch the upside on gold. Gold is here, and just look at this one right away. They mostly move together. That's why. Wing stop. Let's see what wing stop look fire. Let's see. Oh, wing stop trading in a tight channel. Look, guys, something's gonna happen. Oh yeah, upside, upside. Everything's upside, yo. Breaking right here and get a sneaky entry. This is where I'm gonna watch Wingstop. It's 169.55. 169.55. Yeah, it's a good one to go long. Kava looks good. Let's see why Kava look good in my eyes. Kava, okay. We at lows, right? Let me see, we at lows. Where's Kava? Kava's bouncing off resistance, turn support, possibly. Yeah, it's probably bouncing off. Yeah, it's bouncing off this support off of this break that time, and this break here, and then this candle wick is doing the same shit. It's wick. There's a lot of wick. So I'm watching Kava. We broke these candles. I watch Kava around here. 260. We look good. Double bottom, perfect double bottom on our side. 10 change. Not the prettiest MACD because it just was created not too long ago. So let's just value the RSI for now and the technical on the candles. Okay. Urban Outfitters. Urban Outfitters. Why they were moving decent today? Hold on.
Yo, I think they had earnings.
Right? Yeah, this is IV. Sorry, y'all. No wonder I'm bugging. This is an IV play. So watch this one for IV tomorrow. 37, so 37 and a half. Let me see. No, they only got dollar ones. So it's gonna be the 37s. Let me see. Yeah, they did have earnings. Thank you, brother.
Yes, sir.
Let me see. Yeah, 37s, bro. This 37s could hit all the way to 37.60 at least. So we'll see some continuation. IV on Urban. D nut looked interesting today. Krispy Kreme. Okay, nice pivot, higher pivot low right there. I see it. So we got a nice uptrend on D nut. Breaks this area. We should go higher, at least to there. So let's see if we can get the 14. Everything looks good. It looks good. Let me see 50, 55, and then the RSI. Yeah, RSI looks fire. The Mac looks like it's about to cross. Oh no, needs some more strength to push higher, but the Bears are getting wiped out, clearly. So let's watch D-Nut. Krispy Kreme. Maybe we could take it to almost 14, 1380. But I think they might have 15 calls. If they do, you gotta wait till there's volume on display. Do not take it if the volume is on a million. Yeah, it's 15, so wait until the millions kick in to try to get the 15 calls. Okay, so next on the list, I got two more and then that's it, gang. Four. Um, I don't, let me see how this looks, because I know this is like a PayPal situation type of ticker. Square. PayPal did good today. We did catch, well, I caught the alert. I even said it in the chat. This looks nasty on the daily. Hold on real quick. Okay. So 55. All right. But it's oversold. It's ready to rebound. That's why, you know what? We're gonna watch it just in case. They're trying to throw us off. All right. I think we should watch it. Right now it's saying it's at 55. 55. Trying to get into the 56 calls there. Hold on, gang. Trying to get in a bounce. See if I can see a bounce on. And the volume came in crazy towards the end of the day. All right. I'm watch four above here. So 55.70 is my long entry on this one. The last one, haven't played it, but I know I got this from CNBC when I was trading live with y'all. Yeah, it's on the day. Okay, daily looks constructive. Okay. Yeah, this looks good. This looks good right now. Just stay in the positive. I don't want the MACD to go negative. Just start turning. We see the pink already. You just have to stay positive. This should be an easy entry above these spider webs over here. I got the 9, got the 21, got the 50, got the 200. All dancing in here. Yeah, right here. Above all that web. Right here, 3180. That's a good area to watch. All right, gang. That's it. I don't got no other tickers. Tomorrow's data, so be mindful of that. Depending how it comes in. I think if it comes in line, they still gonna chop us until Thursday. Obviously, if it comes in hot, they might just slowly leak us, not a heavy drop until Thursday. Because Thursday to me is the biggest. Thursday, Friday is probably the biggest catalyst to me of the week.
Hey, also Cam, Nvidia earnings tomorrow, right?
Oh, Nvidia, you guys can watch Nvidia's. Yeah, tomorrow a lot of sympathy is gonna be happening. I feel like,
Yeah, with the chips.
yeah, chips. I feel like AI might be a little sympathy, so good thing to watch tomorrow. Thank you for pointing that out, bro.
Yeah, MOC imbalance today close was over 1 billion sell side. So, and the day before was buy side billion. So that's why we dropped today. So expect some upturn tomorrow.
Okay, okay, good to know. Thank you
Yeah.
again, bro. Alright, let's
So-
get it. You gonna be up, bro? I'll probably trade some futures with you.
Woo, you know I'll be up, bro. NQ's ripping. Let's go.
Alright, bet, man. Let's get on
All
it.
right, so
Alright,
peace.
see how it
Alright,
goes,
tomorrow.
man. I'm on Zoom tomorrow for sure, bro, all day.
Alright, man.
Alright, gang.
Later.
Alright.